I argue for a lot of critical media literacy. What does that mean? Why do you think that? What are they saying there? What does that word mean? When you look at it like this, how do you consider that? What would it feel like for you to be talked about like that? But if you pose questions that are open-ended rather than yes or no, and explore ideas and plant seeds, then you're kind of doing the work, I think. And they might not get it in and there, but it's these constant things. Let your kids play the music they want to hear in the car. And they're playing something that you find distasteful. Oh, why do they say that? What does that mean to you? You know, watching some YouTube with your kids. Or what does that mean? Why do you like this?
That's exactly what we're talking about here. Open-ended questions, small comments in everyday moments, planting seeds rather than trying to control every thought in the moment.
And it really matters because we're seeing more examples of young people, especially boys, being pulled into online spaces that normalize anger, violence, or extreme ideas. Helping them pause and question what they're seeing is one of the best protections we have.